Hi, this is John with WTI, and I'm going to be honest. I don't like wrinkles at all. I have this memory of my childhood when my dad used to tell me all the time, you should never get out of your house with your shirts wrinkled. So I took this a little bit at hand with me growing up. So this is like an evolution of the Niagara because it was the same product my dad used to use, but the greener version. This is the heavy finish ironing stretch that from Niagara that you can use for your shirts, your t-shirts, your pants, everything that you're going to iron. And if you want to see or have a sensation that it's well ironed, but at the same time it removes all of the wrinkles from your clothes, no matter how difficult they are, and they're gonna stay still with a heavy finish that's gonna look and move to different places, and your clothes are gonna still look great. So if you're looking for a great product for ironing, this one just do wonders because it gives you this heavy feeling that your clothes are gonna stay wrinkle free all the time. So this was John with WTI. That's my point of view.